Leaving busy place, he lives in a jungle, himself alone in company of his body. He plays with self-restraint and self-control. He talks no talk. He doesn't know time when pondering on Sri Guru's statement. He should get strength in his body or should satisfy his hunger. Our desire of tongue should be fulfilled. When eating, he does not consider all these three. With small meals, he is happy. Too much, he doesn't eat. The life which will disappear due to the heat in stomach should go on. He just eats that much. When a man other than her husband desires a decent wife, doesn't give herself like that, a peasant doesn't eat that, which will cause sleep and laziness. She touches the ground only. To lay down in front of God is relevant mood. Otherwise, she never lies down. To sustain body, he moves hands and legs. Moreover, he has under control inside and outside of the body. Hey Arjuna, he does not let his inclination see the threshold of mind. Then, how would speech get opportunity to deal? Thus, the body, mind, and speech, conquering these outdoor stations, he occupies the sky of meditation. The man sees himself in the mirror, head in his hand, like that. He sees his decision in the perception aroused by teaching of Sri Guru. Hey Arjuna, the meditator takes himself by meditation in inclination as a goal. Listen, this is known as the method of meditation. While doing this, hey Arjuna, keep doing it until the meditator and the goal of meditation, all these three become one. So this penant becomes attentive to earn the knowledge of self. He becomes thus, with the help of studies of yoga. Hey Arjuna, in between the two openings at lower end, press the point in the middle with the heel, contracting anus, going through three postures, bringing all different gases together, thus awakening spinal energy, kundalini, expand the central passage, sushupma in spine cord, crossing six wheels from the support wheel to the wheel in between eyebrows, making the cloud of thousand petals rain. He brings the stream of nectar to support wheel at the root. Shiva of vitality, dancing on the top of holy mountain of six wheels, pouring in his begging vessel the grail of mind and breath. When studies of yoga have matured, keeping the group of posture in front, he establishes meditation on Supreme Spirit in the back. The meditation and union to obtain these two without any problem. In the study of knowledge of self, he made friendship with a friend like detachment. Throughout his journey, he walks with him until you see what you are looking for. If the lamp would not leave eyes, how will it take time to see? Like this, the man in search of liberation, when he has detachment with him till he dissolve the Supreme Spirit, how would he get disappointed? So, with detachment, that lucky man, a student of knowledge, becomes fit to receive benefit of self-realization. Thus, wearing the armor of detachment, he rides on the horses of royal self-union. In addition, whatever will come in sight, To destroy that, the difference of small and large, he grabs the sword of meditation in the fist of discretion. Thus, like sun enter in the darkness, he enters fearless in the battlefield of worldly life to wed the goddesses Lakshmi in the form of victory of liberation. I am going to stop here. Thank you very much for coming.